Kasamang ano na yun? Kasamang
Pangkain.
senyales.
Kinakabahan ba? Or what?
Mamaya papakita yung sa'yo.
Nada pa, nakita-kita.
Pinakabahan si Barros.
Oo, world champion ang kalaban mo eh.
Alam pa lang kasi ni Pacquiao parang ninervous.
Nanesigan.
Nako,
Nako! What's going on?
To not only come back, but to also be crowned the world champion. But to do that, there's a lot that yet needs to be done.
That was a nice jab and followed by a body shot as well from Barrios. He definitely needs to work the body against the older 46-year-old Manny Pacquiao. Break him down.
nako, may kempohan ah.
Ill-intentioned counter right that Barrios wanted to punish. But
Nako,
and then a jab.
Nako, don't tell me.
So there's an
Honey, don't
answer
tell
from
me.
Barrios now in the second round.
It's an answer from Barrios, the right hand. But Pacquiao's landing some shots too. Let's not forget, guys, Manny Pacquiao still possesses that power. The old man power people talked about in the sparring sessions, that he was hurting people.
And once again, he's in against a bigger fighter. Barrios' team said they wanted him to come in at around 168 pounds on
Ang
fight
layo,
night.
no? Parang hindi niya maabot si Barrios. Ba't ganon?
Remember,
Abot ba?
Barrios hasn't been on the fight at this level exactly, but he's been on the pay-per-view level twice.
Kaya mahina ang pagkakadating yata eh.
And he talks so
Oo, ang haba ng ni Barrios.
tama. Diba? Walang sinisi.
Yun.
Pacquiao was patient and countered with a short right, which is not his MO. He's a big left-hand guy, but